Good morning, students. In a previous class, we have learned about the exponent, right? So, laws of exponent. What are the laws we have learned? What is the definition of exponent? A number multiplied itself is called the exponent or index or power. Okay, and then laws of exponent. We have 7 laws. We have learned 7 laws. What are the first one is product law, second one is quotient law, third one is negative exponent, and fourth one is power of power rule, and fifth one the zero exponent, and sixth one is the power of 1. Is it power of 1? And then for seventh one multiply or dividing with the same exponent or same power. I hope you all understood the previous concept. Today we are going to do the exercise problems now. Exercise 5.1. Find the base and power of the following exponential notation. The first problem. So minus 7 power of 8 is given. So what is the base value here? Base minus 7. Exponent h. Okay, and b minus 25 the power of 3. Okay, so base minus 25, exponent is 3. Okay, so remaining 2 problems homework. Now move to the second one of the problem. Find the value of the following. Okay, find the value of the following. So first one is minus 12 power 2 is given. Second one 6 power 3. C minus 7 power 3, and D 10 into 10 into 10. So remaining 4 problems homework. Now do this solution. So what is the meaning of minus 12 power of 2? The minus 12 multiplied twice a times. Minus 12 multiplied twice a times. So minus 12 into minus 12. What is the value? 12 12s are 144. Minus into minus plus. That is the answer. Here 6 multiplied thrice a times. Okay. So 3 3s 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. Okay, 216. And next one minus 7 multiplied thrice a times. So minus 7 into minus 7 into minus 7. So minus 7 minus into minus plus 7 7s are 49. So plus 49 into minus 7 we get minus plus into minus minus 49 7s are 343. 343. And then here multiple of 10 and 3 times. So what is the value? 1000. Right. Now move to the third problem. Simplify the following. Simplify and write the following. Okay. So first problem. square. 13 by 15 the whole square is given. Okay, and B problem minus 5 by 7 the whole cube. Okay, and then C problem 1 by 3 the whole power 4. Okay, C. So it can return as the division of the powers, is it? So square 15 the whole square. So 13 square means 13 into 13. So 13 13s are 160 9. That is the numerator value. Here denominator 15, 15. 15 15s are 225. Here minus 5 the whole cube divided by 7 the whole cube. So minus 5 multiplicated thrice times divided by 7 into 7 into 7. So minus into minus plus 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. Plus into minus minus divided by 4 4s are 7 7s are 49. 49 7s are 343. And next here 1 power 4 by 3 power 4. Okay, so multiplicated 1 is 4 times, we get the 4. 3 multiplicated by 4 times. So 1 by 9 9s are 81. Okay, and next one, fourth problem. Convert the following into the exponential notation. Okay, so here give it the some numbers, fractions, minus 8 by 27. Okay, and b value was 49 by 81. And then c 1 by 216 and d 8 by 125. Okay, write in the exponential form. Okay, so 8 can be written in the 2 into 2 into minus 2, is it? So minus, it's the same value, is it? So exponents mean a number multiplicated itself the same number. Okay, so here minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So 2 2s are 4. So minus into minus plus. Again multiply. So minus into plus minus 4 2s are 8. So it's also write in the 3 times of 3, is it? So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So answer is minus 2 by 3. How many times repeated? They both numerator and denominator 3 times. Okay, here 49 can be written in the 7 7s are. Here 9 9s are. Okay, so 7 by 9 the whole square. Here 1 numerator 216. So 6 multiplicated itself thrice the times. 6 multiplicated itself thrice the times. So 6 into 6 into 6. So 1 by 6 the whole power of 3. Why didn't write in the numerator 1 into 1 into 1? Because 1 multiplicated itself is 1. Okay, so here 2 thrice the times of 2 we get the value of 8. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2, the denominator 125. So multiple of 5 in 3 times we get the 125. So 5 into 5 into 5. So 2 by 5 the whole power 3. So remaining problems are homework. Okay, and then fifth problem. Express the following as a single exponent. So first 3 problem we will do the homework. So difficulty I do the problem minus 7 the whole square into minus 7 the whole power of 3. So single exponent. So in this place we have using the last. Okay. So base are same, is it? Base are same, the powers are different. So between of these two number having the product. So which rule we have applied? Product rule. Okay, or product law. So the power minus 7, the power will be added. The base values are same. And between of the operation is of product. So we have applied the product rule. So minus 7 power, the power will be added 2 plus 3. So minus 7 the whole power, 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay. So minus 7 power 5. And that is the answer. And next one 12 by 13. So single exponent la write panna sollirukanga. Okay, in this place you will write product law. What is the product law? A power x into b power y is equal to a power x plus y. Okay, right. And next 12 by 13 power 4 into 12 by 13 power 5. Here also we have used the product law. So base value is 12 by 13. The power will be added. So 4 plus 5 equal to 12 by 13. The power value 4 plus 5 9. 4 plus 5 9. Here also write the product law. Okay. Right. And next one f minus 2 by 3 the power of 3 into minus 2 by 3 the power 4. Okay, so the bases are same, the power will be added. So minus 2 by 3 the power 4, 3 plus 4. Okay, first number having the power is 3, second number having the 4, so 3 plus 4. So answer is minus 2 by 3 the power of 7. In this place you should write the law. Okay, complete. So remaining problems are homework, and move to the sixth problem. Write the following by the simplification the exponent. Okay, so power of power rule is given. Okay, solution. The first one a 4 power 3 the whole square. So power of power rule is given. So 4 power will be multiplied through 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 4 power 6. Since power of power rule, what is that? A power x the whole power y is equal to a power xy. Okay, and B problem minus 3 power 3 the whole power 3. Okay, so minus 3 into 4, so minus 3 power 12. Here also write the power of power rule. And next C, a power 3 the whole power 4. So a power of 3 into 4 is equal to a power 12. Since power of power rule, a power x the whole power y is equal to a power xy. And next one, seventh problem. Express the following into the exponential notation using the single exponent. Here also we are using the single exponent. So first one 5 power 5. Okay, 5 power 5 into 1 power 5. So here also the base are same. Here also we have applied the laws. Okay, which law? The base are different, the powers are same. The seventh law, multiply or divide with the same exponent, So exponents are same. Okay, so what we do? Multiply the base. So 5 into 1 the base value, the exponent is 5. So what is the value? 5 power 5, which since product of base with same exponent. So what is the formula? A power m into b power n is m is equal to ab the power of m. Okay, right. And next b problem. 3 power 4 into 7 power 4. So base are same. Okay, so powers are same, so base multiply. So 3 7s are the whole power 4, 21 the whole power 4. Since write this rule. Okay, and C problem. Y power 3 into Z power 3. Okay, so base multiply. Okay, y z the base exponent is 3. Okay, product of their base with the same exponent. So remaining problems homework. Now move to the 8th one. Express the following in the simplified form. Okay, eighth one. Express the following in the simplified form. First one, a 2 by 3 the whole power of 0 divided by 2 by 3 the whole power of 0. Okay, so 0 exponent, right? So anything power 0, 1. Okay, divided by anything power of 0, 1. So 1 divided by 1, 1. Since 0 exponent, what is the formula? A power 0 is equal to 1. Okay, right. And B1, minus 8 power of 0 plus 3 power 0. Okay, divide 7 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. So 1 plus 1, okay, divided by 7 power 0 is 1. Since 0 exponent, so a power 0 is equal to 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 divided by 1 is equal to 2 is the answer. And C, minus 5 power 0 minus 3 power 0 divided by 4 power 0. So anything power 0 is 1. 3 power 0, 1. 4 power 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 divided by 1, 0. Write the 0 exponents. Okay, right. Remaining problems homework. And 9th one. Express the following with the negative exponent. Okay, express the following with the negative exponent. Solution. First problem, a power 3 into b squared by a power 4 by a power 4. Write in the exponent, negative exponent. Okay, so a power 3, a power 4 move to the numerator, a power minus 4. Okay, here b squared. So numerator move to the denominator, we get the negative exponent. So b squared move to the denominator, we get b power of minus 2. Now simplify a power 3 minus 4. Which law we have applied in this place? Product rule. Okay, so base are same, power will be added. Okay, so 3 minus 4 divided by b power minus 2, we get a power 3 minus 4. Two different signs will come. What we do? Subtract and put the greater number sign. So minus 1. So a power minus 1 divided by b power minus 2. That is a negative exponent. And next to see the next one, 5 by x. Okay, 5 is a constant term, so stay in the numerator. So 1 by the denominator value is x move to the numerator, we get the negative exponent, so x power minus 1. Okay, and then C problem 1 by a, it can also write in the numerator, the denominator move to the numerator, we get the negative exponent, so 1 into a power minus 1, we get the a power minus 1. Okay, and D problem 3 power 5 by 3 power 7. So both having the positive. So denominator move to the numerator, we get the negative. Numerator move to the denominator, we get the negative values. Okay. See 3 power 5. Here the denominator value was 3 power 7. So the division move to the numerator, multiplication. So product of the base 3 plus 7 move to the numerator minus 7. The bases are same. Base are same, the power will be added. Okay, so 3 5 minus 7. Okay, here already 7 having the negative number, so subtract and put the greater number sign. So subtract minus 2, said greater number sign is minus, so the 3 power minus 2 is the answer, is also a negative exponents. Remaining 2 problems are homework. Okay, and then 10th one, 10th evaluate. Solution. First 3 problem are easy, you will do the homework. Okay, and now do the D, E, F. So D problem, minus 7 by 8 the whole power 3, divide minus 7 by 8 the whole power 5. So what is the value? The base are same. Okay, so we have applied the quotient rule. So minus 7 by 8 the power of 3 minus 5. What we get? Minus 7 by 8 the whole power minus 2. Is it? 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Okay, now write in the evaluate is given. Okay, write in the reciprocal. So what we get? 1 by minus 7 by 8 the whole power 2, we get it. Okay, it can written as, yes, so numerator a square by minus 7 the whole square, or commonly write like this. Okay, that's it. And next one, so evaluate means you will write in the simplification. So 64 by 49, and then D, E 6 by 11 the whole power 2 plus 3, divide 6 by 11 the whole power of 5. Okay, so power added 6 by 11, 2 plus 3 5, division is given, so we have using the division law. Is it? Here also we have applied the quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? A power x into divide a power y is equal to a power x minus y. The same rule we have applied here also. Okay, so 5 minus 5, so 6 by 11 the whole power 0. So anything power 0, 1. Since quotient rule, what is the rule? A power x divided a power y is equal to a power x minus y. And F1, 6 by 7 the whole power 3 the whole power 2 is equal to divide 6 by 7 whole square the whole power 3. So here we have applied the power of power rule. Okay, so power of power rule 6 by 7, 3 2s are 6, divide 6 by 7, power of power rule 2 3s are 6. Here write power of power rule. What is that? A power x the whole power y is equal to a power xy. Okay, now simplify. The division is given, so 6 by 7 the whole power 6 minus 6 is equal to 6 by 7 the whole power 0. Anything power 0, 1. Anything power 0, 1. That's it. Now move to the 11th problem. Find the value of the following. Find the value of the following. Solution. Already I have explained in the exponent class. Minus 1 power odd number we get the odd number, minus 1 power even number we get the even number. So same type of question is asking the question number 11. Okay, so the first one, minus 1 power 17. 17 is the odd number, so we get the odd number, so we get the answer is minus 1. Okay, and B problem, minus 1 the whole power 100. 100 is the even, so we get the even one. Okay, so remaining problems are homeworks, exercise 5.1. First C, D, second E, F, G, third D, E, F, fourth E, F, G, H, fifth A, B, C, sixth C, D, E, F, seventh C, D, E, F, eighth one D, E, ninth one E, F, tenth A, B, C, 11th C, D, E, F. Okay, so half of the exercise we have completed. Okay, remaining half or 1/4 only given for homework. Okay, you will do. If you have any doubt, you can ask your doubt to me. Thank you, students.